So इन्हें देख के आपको पता चले गया होगा that Leading Edge is back at Bohemian Gallery for 2 days. This time their monsoon edit with 10 different type of brands. जिसमें से एक ब्रांड जो स्पेशली साड़ी इन्होंने पहनी हुई है, they are exhibiting for the first time, and the rest of the brands we have footwear, we have क्या क्या है मैम?
Footleys, footwear, containers and heavy dresses.
Chaniya
Western dresses, chaniya choli,
Yes,
and
jewelry.
silver jewelry, western jewelry,
Yes.
all types sarees.
So yes, please do visit.
ये silicone bags,
सिलिकॉन बैग, लड्डू गोपाल पोशाक, जितना हम कम बोलेंगे उतना ही ज्यादा चीजें हैं. सो वेस्टर्न वेयर भी है, यस यू फॉरगॉट दैट. एंड 2 दिन की एग्जीबिशन है, आज और कल. वैले पार्किंग इज अवेलेबल, वो मैं पहले बता देती हूँ. एंड प्लीज डू विजिट.
दिस इज ब्रांड टेबल टोज एंड उनके पास जो जूतीज हैं, दिस इज ऑल थ्रेड वर्क जूतीज. लुक एट दैट. ये ऑर्थो डॉक्टर सोल है, तो ये आपके बैक को भी सपोर्ट करते हैं. इनकी जो हील्स हैं इसमें रॉड्स हैं, तो यू वोंट सफर अ बैक पेन एट ऑल. ये उनने अभी लॉन्च किया है स्पेशली फॉर दाल्स एंड पल्सेस. दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ tableware collection. Something vegetable dye use की हुई है. They are microwave friendly, so you're not going to face. So if you're looking for something unique, different, something that will make you stand out, you are at the right place. Just look at that choker. Look at those earrings. You can carry them in parties, even in some of your occasion wear. Look at the collection that they have. It's lovely. Bracelets as well. Some more earrings. Okay.
रियल गोल्ड डिजाइन गमती है बट એટલું બધું સ્પેન્ડ ના કરવું હોય સો ધીસ ઇઝ અ ગુડ ઓપ્શન. સો રિયલ ગોલ્ડના જે આર્ટિઝન હોય છે એ બનાવે છે, ઇવન 1 to 2 ગ્રામ ગોલ્ડ પણ એડ કરે છે. એટલે વેન યુ ગીવ ઇટ બેક સો 50% જેટલી બાયબેક પ્રાઇસની ગેરંટી ટાઈપ પણ અહીંયા મળે છે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ અ સ્ટોલ વેર આઈ પર્સનલી લાઇક દેર ડિઝાઇન, દેર ફિનિશિંગ સ્પેશિયલી. સો યસ, ઇફ યુ આર ઇન્ટુ વેડિંગ શોપિંગ ડુ વિઝિટ ધ સ્ટોલ.
સો વેસ્ટર્ન ફ્લેરી ડ્રેસીસ અગર તમને જોઈતા હોય તો અહીંયા એમની પાસે ઘણા એવા ઓપ્શન્સ છે. 15 મીટર્સ ફ્લેર છે. હોમ ડેકોરનું કલેક્શન છે એમની પાસે અહીંયા. તો ફેસ્ટિવિટીઝ, રાખીઝ. પોટલીઝમાં પણ કલેક્શન છે એમની પાસે. વેરી કલરફુલ એન્ડ ફેસ્ટિવ.
So this is brand Indonic. They are exhibiting for the very first time. They have beautiful sarees, बहुत ही pocket friendly prices है. First 3 pieces I'm going to show you right here. They also have an offer running जिसमें आपको flat 15% off if you follow them on Instagram and flat 20% off if you buy 2 or more. So let me give you a glimpse of what they have. Yes, so we have something like this, double blouse with coati jacket style. Okay. They also have heavy sarees, ready to wear blouses के साथ भी pieces हैं. Pretty. Okay. Then we have these kind, and the best thing about them is कि back पे भी पूरा pattern है, and as you can see these are all the different varieties that they have. Look at these, very pretty. पूरे heavy में भी है, something for the brides out there. These are all different kind. फिर हमारे पास sequence में है, ये सारी silk based है. Yes, and then they have pretty chaniya cholis as well.
Next up we have brand Craft Carrot, and look at the piece that ma'am is wearing. They have more such pieces in silver. This is all silver, as you can see. They have lovely bracelets, some neck pieces as well, earrings. Look at those for your everyday routine wear. These are all more bracelets. They also have fashion jewelry, so look at that. Lovely chokers. They have earrings as well. Some more earrings with stones. Look at the pieces.
So we have a special brand called Craft Culture. They have all different kind of लड्डू गोपाल पोशाक. राधा कृष्ण के लिए है.
0 से लेके 6 नंबर तक.
ओके, साइजेस आपको अलग अलग मिल जाएंगे 0 से.
झूले हैं,
कट एंड झूले हैं यहाँ पर. राधे श्याम यहाँ पे पूरा श्रृंगार है.
मुकुट बांसुरी,
मुकुट है, बांसुरी है,
गणेश जी लक्ष्मी जी के आसन है,
थाली है, आसन मिल जाएंगे.
आसन है,
ये पगड़ी है,
पगड़ी है,
Look at this.
ये भगवान की चड्डियाँ हैं, गद्दियाँ है,
गद्दियाँ मिल जाएंगी
ये बेड है भगवान जी की।
बेड में। और ये क्या मैम?
ये बॉटल होल्डर है
बॉटल होल्डर। सॉरी।
और ये पाउचेस है, पेंसिल बॉक्स है, ये पाउच है, वाह ये सब
बैग है।
बड़े आसन है।
This is brand House of K and they have come up with lovely chaniya cholis. So look at that. They have lovely colors with beautiful tassels on them. Look at the colors. Okay, and they have a lot of options. Just look at all those colors, bright, beautiful, vibrant, all Navratri ready. And they also have dupattas. Just look at that combination, the effect, the tassels, and they have a lot of options, so you can match, make a pair here. Lovely. And moving on to some kachi blouses that they have. Look at that, that's a very pretty design. Lovely. Wow, beautiful, all unique pieces. Lovely.
Here we have Shreem Boutique. They have some nice Indo-Western kaftan style with belt. Okay. Color options मिल जाएंगे इसमें. Beautiful. Then we have these kind. So basically they have different patterns थोड़े dresses में. Okay. Beautiful. इनके पास blouses भी हैं. These are blouses. And they have boho bags. Okay. Then यहाँ पे क्या है? चनिया चोली भी है. चनिया भी है. Look at this. और dresses long में and चनिया.
This is brand Fusion Dhaga and look at the shirt that ma'am is wearing. It's beautiful. It has colors और इनके पास बहुत सारे western के collection है. Yes ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
My brand name is Fusion Dhaga.
Okay. Just look at those pieces. Lovely.
Denim piece.
Okay.
We have
something
button
cute.
work.
Okay.
We have linen.
Lovely. Look at that with minimal work.
Linen.
Okay. Lovely. Just look at that. All right. Look at that. And they have a lot of collection. उन्हें जो पहना है उसका color है उनके पास. They have more such shirts. Look at those pieces. Wow. Very pretty.
This is brand Ru by Palak. Yes ma'am. What do we have
Hello
new?
everyone, I am designer Palak Narewala, brand Ru by Palak. This is my new collection, Sur. This is tribute my father.
Okay.
This is golden era.
Beautiful.
This one is very golden semi anarkali, and this is anarkali with dupatta. This is anarkali with koti,
Oh wow.
both side khat work.
Yes.
This is again blue ombre with khat work. This one is unique.
Yeah, what you're
colorful.
wearing?
Yeah.
Very pretty. बहुत ही सुंदर है और ये सारे डिजाइनर पीसेस है
हाँ,
right?
दिस इज डिजाइनर. और इकत में भी ये वर्क दिया और लिटिल बिट इसमें मैंने डिटेलिंग दिया.
बहुत ही सुंदर बहुत ही सुंदर.